In this video, we will walk you through the process of withdrawing funds IX broker trading account on the desktop platform. Let's go through the withdrawal process step by step. Step 1. Access the withdrawal section. After logging into the platform, navigate to the left-hand menu and click on the fourth option, Withdraw. This will take you to the withdrawal page. Step 2. Enter the withdrawal amount. In the first field, enter the amount you would like to withdraw. Below this field, you will see the minimum and maximum withdrawal amounts available for your account. Make sure the requested amount falls within the permitted withdrawal limits. Step 3. Enter your wallet address. In the next field, enter the destination wallet address where you would like to receive your funds. Please ensure that the wallet address is correct before proceeding. Step 4. Select the network. Next, choose the blockchain network on which you would like the withdrawal to be processed. It is important to select the correct network to ensure the funds are delivered successfully. Step 5. Review and submit the request. After completing all required fields, carefully read the withdrawal terms and conditions. Once you have reviewed the information, check the confirmation box indicating that you agree to the withdrawal conditions. Then click Apply to submit your withdrawal request. Step 6. Verify your withdrawal request. After clicking Apply, a confirmation email containing your withdrawal details will be sent to your registered email address. Open the email, review the withdrawal information, and confirm the request as instructed. This email verification step is required to complete the withdrawal submission process. Step 7. Track your withdrawal status. Once your request has been submitted, your withdrawal history will be displayed at the bottom of the page. If the request status is pending, you may still have the option to cancel the withdrawal before it is processed. Once approved, the funds will be transferred to your selected wallet address. Withdrawing funds from IX broker is a simple and secure process. Just enter the withdrawal amount, provide your wallet address, select the correct network, confirm your request via email, and track the status directly from the platform. Once approved by the financial team, your funds will be sent to your designated wallet.